Hi, this is Ashley coming to you from Halton Honda with another great Honda. Today we're looking at the industry benchmark for minivans, the 2015 Odyssey Touring in White Diamond Pearl. It produces 248 horses from its powerful 3.5-liter iVTEC engine. This particular Odyssey has 89,000 kilometers, an accident-free history, and a full Honda technician service record on file. The mighty Odyssey blows away the competition with features like the original Magic Seat, with the flexibility to transform from a 3-person bench, a comfy seat at the drive-in, or collapse to allow a 4x8 sheet of plywood. Then clean up any mess with the Honda Vac. Enjoy the power liftgate, an entertainment system in the back, navigation, and beverage cooler in the front. There's nothing mini about the list of features in this van. Book your appointment today at 905-632-5371.